Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, Orlando and the Duke, from As You Like It. All this time, Rosalind had not forgotten Orlando. As we have already read in chapter number 8, that Rosalind and Celia, they have reached to the forest of Arden in search of Rosalind's father. And they were not aware about this thing that Orlando is also there in the forest of Arden. She often wondered about him. Had he forgotten her? She did not know that he too had to leave his home and that he was now in the forest, not far away from her. Rosalind was surprised about few things. That she is always remembering about Orlando, but she was confused that Orlando had forgotten about her or where he is living. She was not knowing that Orlando had also left the house and he is also staying in the forest of Arden, and he was not far away from her. Like Rosalind and Celia, Orlando and his faithful servant lost their way in the forest, and they were almost dying of hunger. As we have seen in chapter number 18, Rosalind and Celia, when they reached to the forest of Arden, they were searching for shelter and were hungry. Same way, Orlando and his faithful servant, they both were unaware about the way to the forest, so they lost over there and they were dying because of hunger, as they were not provided with any kind of food stuff. Adam could go no further. He lay down on the ground and begged his master leave him there to die. Adam was old man and servant of Orlando, so he was unable to move ahead. So he told his master Orlando to leave him there and he has to go ahead. Orlando carried him to the shelter of some trees and gently laid him down on the ground. But Orlando did not leave him there. Rather, what he did, he took him to the shelter of trees and made him there sit and rest. Rest here, old man, he said. I am going to find something to eat. I'll be back soon. Keep up your courage, O friend. So, Orlando told him that very soon I'll come back with something that is to eat. So just don't leave your courage and sit here. I'll come back very soon. Orlando ran off and by chance came upon Duke Senior and his band. As we have already read, Duke Senior and his follower were staying in the forest of Arden. So by chance Orlando reached there where Duke Senior and his followers were staying. They were eating their dinner when Orlando burst in upon them. Desperate with hunger, he drew his sword and shouted wildly, "Give me something to eat." As he reached there, he shouted. He was having his sword in his hand and he was very desperate because of hunger. He was feeling hungry, so that's why he took his sword in his hand and in a shouting way, he asked for something to eat. Duke Senior answered him calmly, "Your manners are very bad, young man, but I can see that you are in distress." Duke Senior at once replied to Orlando's word that, "Young man, your way of entering into this place and asking for food is very bad, but I can see you are in stress." "What's the matter?" Orlando told him about old Adam, who was dying of hunger. Orlando very quickly explained him everything about old Adam and about the situation that they both were feeling hungry. And then Duke Senior said, "Go and fetch the old man. Bring him here, and both of you shall eat your fill." So he told Orlando that you go and bring your friend, old Adam, here, and then you both can eat here till your satisfaction. Orlando ran off and was soon back again carrying old Adam. Orlando very quickly ran toward old Adam, and very soon they both were there with Duke Senior and his band. They ate till they could eat no more. They were quite hungry, and they tried to eat as much as they can. Then Orlando told his story to the Duke. When Duke Senior heard that Orlando was the son of his old friend Sir Roland de Boys, he was delighted. After having food, and after that he told Duke Senior his story, as he came to know that Orlando was son of Sir Roland de Boys, who was friend of Duke Senior. Duke Senior was quite happy. "Come and join my little band," he invited him. He was quite happy and invited Orlando and old Adam to join their band. "You and old Adam are very welcome." Orlando and his faithful servant gladly agreed to join. So now old Adam and Orlando, they both were ready very happily to join the band of Duke Senior. This was the day when they were very happy, and that night they slept a peaceful, sound sleep, for their troubles were over, as all the worries of their life related to food and shelter and their life were over. Thank you.